In this video, let's address a common problem many users have reported with scheduled wake-ups during modern standby. Many devices simply don't wake up on schedule, a critical issue when essential tasks like nightly backups depend on a reliable wake-up. To resolve this challenge, EnviProt has developed an add-on wake-up driver for its Auto Shutdown Manager. You can download it at no cost from the EnviProt website. It comes as a zip file named modernstandbywakedriver.zip. Please refer to the manual for detailed instructions. If you agree to the disclaimer and warranty disclosure in the manual, install the driver by double-clicking the MSIX package file. Please note that the version number may change in the future. And that's all, no setup or configuration is required. To uninstall, search for EVP Wake Driver and select Uninstall. With the Wake Driver installed, you can schedule wake-ups as usual using your Auto Shutdown Manager time rules. No further configuration is required. We believe these improvements will enhance your system's performance, security, and reliability, restoring the familiar ease of use you've come to expect. With our modern standby wake driver, EnviProt is committed to bringing back that comforting, user-friendly experience. Let's stay connected. Please reach out if you have any questions or suggestions. Thank you for watching.